Silver, we start with daily chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we have been looking for sell, and there was and second opportunity, and we wanted to see whether the price can retest this low or not. Okay, no, the question is whether this is a correct move and similar to any of this for one more drop, or this is the start of the up move. And if we refer to the indicators, we don't see any the divergence. Okay, now I want to say how we can trade this. Okay, in this case, we move to forward chart. If we refer to forward chart, if we refer to our analysis, we had this two lines. We mentioned maybe this one can turn to a correct move similar to what we have here, what I draw here. Because we mentioned any reversal from there, we can look for buy. Okay, now the question is again, whether this is the start of the reversal or this one can turn to any correction similar to this for one more drop. Right now, we cannot confirm. Okay, even this line is indicative. Easily the price can break and continue. Okay, but mostly in terms of the risk and reward, we will be more interested in the sell. But if you want to look for, right now we don't have any trade setup, either for sell or buy. But if we get any sell setup, this is what for me I will be more interested. And if you want to look for sell, maybe we can look for what we have here: drop, correction for continuation. Okay, but if you want to trade, we need to get the trade set up. And if we move to 1 hour chart, you want to see how we can trade based on 1 hour chart. Okay, we remove these two lines because when the price, we were expecting the price to tag. Okay, but at that time the price was within this move. We remove everything, and now the thing is, if we put this one in relative to what we have here, we see the divergence. Okay, first of all, if we talk about the buy, we mostly can expect the price to drop similar to what we have here for running flat for one move up. Okay, that's mean if you want to look for buy, either we get the correction here or let the price drop. Any reversal from there, we can look for buy. But as I explained, point to this, if I get any down move with a correction, this is where I'm going to sell. This is what I'm looking for. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here, but if I get the sell, I will be more interested. All right. And rather than that, I mean, we don't have any trade setup right now. The only thing is we see the divergence. One of the possibility to look for the running flat, if the price drop any sharp move with the flag, we can look for buy. With the breakout of the top, we start to manage. But the question is either we get here or the price move a bit higher. And if you want to look for buy, if the prices start to correct here with a small flag, any buy will be short-term buy, because mostly we can expect what we get here. As I mentioned, mostly I will be more interested in the sell, but right now we cannot confirm. We want to see what we will get from here. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.